So, what are you dating, like an accountant now, or
Owen,
ventriloquist?
stop it.
You love a dummy.
This is not why we're here.
You can blame me, try to shame me.
I know why we're here.
Still I'll care.
A rescue op. Save the dinosaurs from the island that's about to explode.
Both were loving.
What could go wrong?
Blue is alive. You raised her.
Do these animals deserve the same protections given to other species? Or should they just be left to die?
These creatures were here before us. And if we're not careful, they're gonna be here after.
You know me.
Life cannot be contained. Life breaks free. Life finds a way.